Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to disable or turn off background apps to save battery on Vivo V50 Lite 5G phone. If you're using Vivo V50 Lite 5G and now you want to turn off your background apps, so let's see how we can do this. Just open your settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for battery. From here, just further scroll down and you will get a list of your battery usage. Here you can see the background usage time of every app. You can easily select which background usage you want to disable. And I'm going to disable this one, so just tap on it. And here just tap on allow background usage to turn it off. So that's how you can easily disable the background usage of app. You can easily disable the background usage of every app on your phone by one by one. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.